everybody, it's Christine again. I forgot to show you a little bit about my physique because I was tired talking about, what was coming up. Anyways, so this is what I look like right now. Like I mentioned, I'm 125 pounds and very pleased with, the lighting is terrible in here, but this is it here. My abs are in, my arms are in. Very pleased with that. Like that. This is my quarter turn. My back looks good. My glutes are in. I'm very happy with that. I don't know if you can see my glutes are in. The lighting's terrible here. So anyway, so that's me. It's really going well. Very happy with that. And again, thanks everybody. You guys have really been helping out, keeping me on track so I don't cheat. And I'm going to go to bed now because I'm tired. I got to be up early in the morning. And again, thank you very much. And stay tuned for my next video.